Have you ever used Google Docs? You type something in and everyone with access sees the update instantly. No sending file back and forth. No confusion over the latest version. Blockchain works somewhat like that, but on steroid. In the traditional world, records are stored in a one place, your bank's database or a company's server. If that system gets hacked or corrupted, trust breaks down. Now imagine a group of friends who keep a shared notebook. Every time someone spends money, buys a snack, or owes another friend something, they write it in their notebook. But here is the twist. Everyone has an identical copy of the notebook. When a new entry is added, all friends check and agree it is valid before they write it in their copy. Once it is written, nobody can erase or change that entry. It's permanent and tamper-proof. That shared notebook is a blockchain. Each page you write is called a block, and the entries on the pages like I gave $5 to John are transactions. Because everyone has their own copy, there is no single centralized authority controlling it. Even if one notebook gets lost or damaged, all others keep the record safe. Now the term blockchains comes from how those digital records are stored. The blocks of transaction data are linked together in a chronological chain using cryptographic techniques. This chain ensures that every block depends on the one before it, making the entire sequence secure and unchangeable. This means the blockchain is decentralized. No one controls it, and immutable. Entries cannot be changed once added because everyone maintains the same copy and agreed on updates. The blockchain is transparent, secure, and trustworthy. So in simple terms, a blockchain is a shared digital ledger that stores a chain of transactions where every participant has a copy and nothing can ever be erased or altered. It is a powerful way to record and verify information without relying on a single trusted party.